Look me in the eye. Look at me! Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Emotional damage.
And now I have a plan.
Really? Quite an adventure, huh? Get a load of this one.
Hey, how come you guys aren't laughing?
Listen up, folks. We got a way of doing things here at Sunnyside. If you start at the bottom, pay your dues, life here can be a dream come true. But if you break our rules, step out of line, try to check out early, well, you're just hurting yourself.
Woody! What did you do to him?
That's not my problem. It's yours.
You want power? I know how to get it for you.
I'm done drinking that juice.
I never realized this finger was so powerful.
Such size, such power.
Wrong! On all accounts, you fat, stupid, moronic swine!
Yeah, buddy. Feels good to be back.
Oh, whoa. Questions? Yes, are you nuts?
You're a natural. Ever consider a career in the fast-paced, high-salaried world of the professional con artiste?